Second is benefits of AI in education. And third is challenges and limitations. Fourth, future of AI in education. And fifth, conclusion and next steps. Okay. So there is again assessment criteria is there. Participation and engagement in discussion, depth and insight of contributions, ability to listen and respond to the other's idea, clarity and coherence of communications. Okay. So Geeta Nagpure, Bhumika Popat, Yash Kharate, Ratokar, Divya Alaspure, Gaurav Bochre. We'll start the discussion. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Divya Alaspure. I am from CO6A and I am here for the group discussion. The topic is benefits of AI in education. So let us discuss what is AI. The AI is a simulations of human intelligence by machine, especially computer systems. The AI enables machines to perform their tasks that require human intelligence like problem solving, recognizing, understanding languages, and learning, etc. The Alexa and the Google Assistant is an example of AI which we can use to solve our doubts. AI transferring the educations in the many ways. The one of the biggest advantages is the personalized learning. So the AI is analyze the student weakness and strength and adjust the lectures according to it. Example, the platform like Duolingo and Khan Academy, which use the AI to provide the tailored learning experiences. Also, the AI-powered tutors are available 24/7, like ChatGPT and Gemini, act as an virtual tutors. Um, Student can ask questions anytime, anywhere, and the AI will provide the proper explanation and instance explanation. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Bhumika Popat. I am studying in second CO4K fourth semester. I am today telling you about benefits of artificial intelligence. So basically AI हर जगह है. AI ऐसी चीज़ है जो हेल्थ केयर हो, इंडस्ट्री हो, टेक रिवॉल्यूशन हो, हर जगह फैल चुका है और एजुकेशन इज़ नो एक्सेप्शन हियर. सो एजुकेशन सेक्टर में इसके कैसे बेनिफिट्स हैं मैं आपको पहले तो इसके बारे में बताऊंगी. फर्स्टली यू कैन किसी भी एजुकेशन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की बेसिक एंटिटी है टीचर्स और स्टूडेंट्स. तो मैं पहले आपको ये बताऊंगी कि कैसे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए और टीचर्स के लिए ये बेनिफिटिंग है और उसके बाद वी विल टॉक अबाउट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ एनी यूनिवर्सिटी. सो फर्स्टली व्हेन इट इज़ अ स्टूडेंट के लिए AI पर्सनलाइज लर्निंग डिज़ाइन कर रहा है विच इज़ द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ AI. हियर यू गेट योर टाइप ऑफ ट्रेनिंग. जो आप जहाँ पर वीक हो वहाँ पर आपको AI हेल्प करेगा आपके टास्क को और बेटर करने के लिए, आपकी एफिशिएंसी बढ़ाने के लिए आपको फीडबैक्स देता रहेगा, आपके टास्क को इन्हेंस करेगा, आपके छोटे छोटे मिस्टेक्स को जस्टिफाई करेगा जिससे आप तुरंत अपनी मिस्टेक्स को जान के यू कैन इन्हेंस देम. सो AI पर्सनलाइज लर्निंग इज द फर्स्ट एस्पेक्ट हियर. सेकेंडली फॉर टीचर्स के लिए असेसमेंट टूल इज बेस्ट ऑप्शन. अगर किसी टीचर को असेसमेंट कराने के लिए इफ़ यू गिवन इनपुट टू AI कि इस तरह से कोई पेपर, कोई टेस्ट पेपर हो, किसी स्टूडेंट का डेटा हो, किस तरह उसे असेस करना है, सो श्योरली इट विल असेस इन दैट वे जिससे टीचर्स को ये जो रिपीटेड टास्क है दिस इज समथिंग टेकिंग मोर टाइम. टीचर हमेशा पढ़ाने के अलावा दे डू मेनी टास्क विच समटाइम्स डिस्ट्रैक्ट देम ऑल्सो. AI कैन हेल्प देम इन दिस असेसमेंट प्रोग्रामिंग. आफ्टर दैट जो भी फिजिकली ब्लाइंड पीपल है या डेफ पीपल है जो स्टूडेंट्स लर्न कर रहे हैं उनके लिए भी पर्सनलाइज लर्निंग इज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन एज दे कैन गेट स्क्रिप्ट टू हियरिंग ऑप्शंस बाय AI. उनके लैंग्वेज में उनको AI डिस्क्राइब करेगा कि हाउ एंड विच वे दे हैव टू बी लर्न. नेक्स्ट इट इज प्लानिंग. सो AI कैन हेल्प यू प्लान योर थिंग्स इन योर वे. एंड ऑल्सो टीचर्स टू फॉर एग्जाम्पल चैप्टर्स की लिस्ट है. So how you have to manage the chapters. Next it is फॉर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, अगर आप किसी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को कंसिडर करते हो, लार्ज नंबर ऑफ डेटाबेस हैविंग लार्ज नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, स्टाफ, ऑल एंटिटीज, एवरीवन्स इंफॉर्मेशन, इन सबको मैनेज करने के लिए भी अगर आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस को अच्छी तरह इनपुट दिया जाए तो आई कैन श्योरली से दैट AI कैन हेल्प यू विद दोज थिंग्स. नेक्स्टली, कॉस्ट इफिशियंसी भी है. कॉस्ट इफिशियंसी इसीलिए क्योंकि एक बार अगर आपने अपने सिस्टम में AI को इम्प्लीमेंट कर लिया तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो है एक घर से बैठा हुआ स्टूडेंट भी इजीली एक्सेस कर रहा है. नेक्स्ट, रिमोट एक्सेस, अगर कहीं बाहर से या बहुत कोई रिमोट प्लेस पे से अगर बच्चा पढ़ना चाह रहा है, AI कैन श्योरली हेल्प देयर. बट जैसे किसी कॉइन के दो पहलू होते हैं, दिस ऑल्सो हैव सम ड्रॉबैक्स. फर्स्ट, डिपेंडेंसी. अगर किसी भी सिस्टम में पूरी तरह AI को इम्प्लीमेंट कर दिया जाए जहाँ पर टीचर्स हो, स्टूडेंट्स हो या फिर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन उस पर डिपेंडेंट है, अगर कोई सिस्टम क्रैश हो गया या कोई ऐसी दिक्कत आ गई जो टेक्निकल एरर हो तो पूरा सिस्टम या एजुकेशन में क्राइसिस हो सकता है. नेक्स्टली इट इज कि स्टूडेंट कैन चीट मोर एंड मोर हियर, सो वी हैव टू प्रिवेंट दैट ऑल्सो. थर्डली, अगर डेटाबेस का पूरा एक्सेस आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की तरफ है, वी ऑल नो साइबर क्राइम्स आर बिगर प्रॉब्लम नाउ, तो साइबर क्राइम को भी श्योरली दिस कैन टेक स्टेप इन. सो अगर इन प्रॉब्लम्स पर if I believe that artificial intelligence also is good, how we have to prevent these issues. Also they say that टीचर्स की डिमांड आगे कम हो जाएगी अगर आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस आ जाए. AI कैन हेल्प यू असिस्ट विथ नॉलेज, नॉट विथ स्किल्स एंड एटीट्यूड्स. यहाँ पे टीचर्स का हेल्प है ही, टीचर्स की नेसेसिटी है ही. सो AI विल श्योरली help teachers, students and an organization to grow and enhance the way of learning. It will not at all take up the jobs of teachers, and this is my belief. Nextly, आप database में जैसे किसी की इंफॉर्मेशन फिलअप कर रहे हो, आप डिपेंडेंसी अगर थोड़ी प्रिवेंट कर लो, आप ऐसे ऑप्शंस क्रिएट कर लो जिससे AI भी काम कर रहा है, साथ में अगर कोई इश्यूज आए तो आप उसे भी मैनेज कर सकते हो. टीचर्स को तो आप इजीली AI को इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हो. नेक्स्टली, आपको टीचर्स, स्टूडेंट्स सबको एक वर्कशॉप्स देने पड़ेंगे जो उनको सिखाए कि इनका यूसेज कैसा करना है, एथिकल यूसेज कैसा करना है. दिस यूज केसेस कैन श्योरली हेल्प. सो अगर बैड साइड्स को कंसिडर करके उन पे अगर काम किया जाए एंड वी फाइंड गुड सॉल्यूशन, AI विल श्योरली हेल्प इन एजुकेशन, एंड दैट्स माय कंक्लूजन. थैंक यू.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Geeta Nagapure from CO4K. As she has introduced AI, what is AI? Now I will say you some challenges and limitations of AI. As we all say that technology gives some benefits, but there are also some drawbacks. So we can work on drawbacks for this. There are lack of human touches, as AI can use us answer, but the connectivity between the teachers and the students, we cannot get that. For this, there is the importance of teachers in our life. The AI gives us summary, but the lesson or all the what the teacher taught us are not only given by the AI, they all given by the teachers. And the high cost, AI gives us the high cost. For everyone does not afford the internet as well as the laptops or mobile phone, but the teachers taught us about without any cost. The teachers gives us educations, and AI can provide answer, but the connectivity and develop student creativity and problems cannot solve by the AI. Internet all student does not access due to the money problems or issue. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Myself Yash Karode. I am 6th semester student, and today we are gathered here for a group discussion: benefits of AI in education. As everyone is saying here that AI is revolutionizing all the ways a human can live in this world, and it includes education in the industry too. Like, AI has many benefits in education industry. For example, it she says like AI will replace teachers in future in schools or in colleges, but I have a different perspective on that. AI will definitely do a greater job than a human teacher. Like, humans make mistakes, but AI don't. But at some point, God knows what happen if a solar flare or anything stuck to the earth. It will crash all the electronics, and if any glitch occurs, this is the second scenario. Then only humans as a teachers can do best at their place. No doubt that AI will slow down the speed of learning of a student. It will adjust at the learning speed of a student. AI has many features than a human being, and there is a one I like to mention, that is VR and AR sets. AI will revolutionize the education industry because I thought, this is my personal belief, that we will learn more than visualizing something rather than reading from a book or hearing from someone, because augmented reality and virtual reality plays a very big role in near future in education industry, and students will gain a much more knowledge by seeing the things that they are learning in future. This is one of the benefit of AI, as I said, but there are some limitations too. AI algorithms can sometimes be biased because at last it is came from someone's brain, and it is someone's idea to create such artificial intelligence that will help us in future. So yes, AI is beneficial in education system. It's in near future it is very beneficial for humans, but it has some drawbacks too. That's my point. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Gaurav Bose and I am from CO6I. So today we are here for a group discussion on benefits of AI in education. So we already know that AI is changing the learning perspective of students and also the teachers. And we use AI in our day-to-day life like Google Assistant, ChatGPT, and other learning applications. The AI is helping the students and the teacher both in our learning perspectives, like in personalized studies and personalized studies and smart tutors. Like some of the tutors, some of the academies provides the smart tutors that they help that automatically provides the automatically provided the lessons to the automatically provided lessons to the students on their based on their mistakes, so they can easily solve their problems. And they also provide, and AI can also has an automatically maths assign that they remove the workload from the teachers by automatically assigning this checking the MCQs papers like essays and assignments too. And and AI also has some challenges like job replacement teachers. Some of the people think that AI will replace the human educator, but I don't think so that AI will replace the teachers, because AI is made as perspective from helping the teachers, not replace them. And more dependency on AI should reduce the problem solving and critical thinking skills of the students. And AI, and AI also has some bias. AI also has some bias, like if it had a train like incomplete or incorrected. And in looking at the future scope, AI should continue the revolve the education system by working alongside with the VR and AR. And it also it also has some benefits, and we also know their challenges too. So thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Srikanth Patokar from CO6I and I am here to talk on the topic of benefits of AI. So, according to me, AI has several benefits in every field, but education is one of the most important field in that. And first of all, in education, AI provides personalized learning. Means currently we have traditional methods of learning, like where all the students are taught at the same pace, but in the personalized learning with the use of AI, every students learn on their own pace. Each student has its own abilities and disabilities, means they are more developed in some fields, or some are not good in that. So according to every student's perspective, it designs a learning concept for that particular students, and designs a learning path for them. Next is AI also removes the language barriers in studies. Sometimes in the traditional methods there are language barriers in learning, but AI removes that with the help of various AI developed applications or tools which provides learning in every languages possibly, which so all students can learn. Next is AI also provides remote access, means from one place to means in every place students can learn. And also AI provides visual learning, because in traditional methods there is no visual learning. Teachers teach students and sometimes it becomes boring, so students do not focus on that or does not get involved in studies. But in visual learning, AI provides 2D to 3D visual representations of the topics which you are learning, and so it helps better understand students the topic. And thank you.
I have a question for all of you. Is that do you think that students are reducing their skills, problem solving skills or critical thinking skills?
Can you repeat the question?
Do you think that students are reducing their skills of problem solving? I know. I also want to know your opinions on that. Opinions on that.
You said students are reducing the skills,
Their problem solving skills.
their problem solving skills using ChatGPT and other AI tools. No, I don't think so because we are yes, we are automatically dependent on AI tools nowadays more often. Like primary kids are using ChatGPT and the new recently the China made what DeepSeek something. The primary kids are using that AI to use their school essays and their homework. But as as far as the human brain goes, we can do the things and we can solve the problems. Till now, we don't know the evolution process until from 100 years from now apart. What will happen if we continue to depend upon these AI tools? But now I don't think so.
आई थिंक मेरा इस पे एक पॉजिटिव अप्रोच भी है। एआई को यूज़ करने से आई डोंट थिंक स्किल्स रिड्यूस होगी। अगर पहले से ही स्टार्टिंग से एक छोटा-सा बच्चा भी चैट जीपीटी यूज़ करना सीख रहा है स्टार्टिंग से, तो आगे चल के तो वो उसे उसे उस वो कैसे चलता होगा या मैं खुद का कैसे चैट जीपीटी बनाऊँ, ये भी सोच सकता है। स्किल्स आर नॉट गिविंग अप, इवन दे आर ग्रोइंग मोर। इफ वी यूज़ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस इन अ गुड वे, आई थिंक योर स्किल्स कैन also grow up.
I think ChatGPT does not give only answer, but it also give explanation. So from this get the deep explanation about that topic or everything. So I also don't think that AI is not good or AI reduce the teachers. Some AI also provide the real-time feedback, which helping student to understanding their difficult topic more easily and effectively. I think that the AI future in the online educations is improve the um, uh, improve the platforms of educations and so on.
According to me, AI does not reduce any students' learning capability or problem solving skills, because rather it helps students to improve their problem solving skills. Because if a student encounters a problem, so he can, with the help of ChatGPT, provide more advanced and proper solutions. So that's my point of view.
As the conclusion of our discussion, the AI has lots of scope in future and from now too for students to gain lots of knowledge. It helps us to break down solutions of our questions. It helps us in regular basis activities, and it is useful and it has some downsides too. But as we discussed here, everything is currently fine now. So we don't have to takes lots of much worry about the challenges of AI because AI is currently beneficial, and that's it. Thank you.
Uh, hereby we conclude that artificial intelligence is beneficial अगर हम challenges को अच्छी तरह manage करना सीख जाए तो surely artificial intelligence education system को बहुत अच्छी तरह benefit करेगा and thank you.
I would like to thank Rathod sir for arranging this group discussion and all these students who participated in group